Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about things you need to watch out for being a customer or listening to a salesperson who is flat out lying to you. Flat out lying to you. I get this all the time. Been 23 years in the car business. Customers coming to me after the fact, after this has happened to them. So I wanted to put a little light, shine a little light for you on your next car purchase, or for your friends or your neighbors or your family members' next car purchase. I hope this helps. And if it does, put some comments in the bottom of this video because I want to hear from you. I want to talk to you. I want to engage with you. I want to engage with my community as you help me build my subscribers on YouTube. But anyway, let's get right down to the point. Let's get down to the nitty gritty today. If your credit, you have Bruce credit, and you're getting into a vehicle and you know that you're going to be paying a high interest rate on your car loan. Now, high interest rate is anything in the double digits. 10 is double digits, but I just want to say anything over 15%, 14, 15%, I consider those high double digits. In Michigan, the highest APR, annual percentage rate, again, APR, annual percentage rate, in Michigan is 25%. So you cannot pay over 25% in Michigan for a car loan. Now, it's different in other states, but in Michigan, it's only 25%. But anyway, let me just tell you one of the lies that salespeople say all the time. Been in the car business for 23 years. I've heard this. I've been next to salespeople at dealerships, and I hear it all the time. So let me give you an example. You're buying your car, and the salesperson comes back, or the finance manager comes back, or the finance manager takes you into his or her office. You're at the desk, you're at the salesperson's desk, and they say to you, you wanted to get quote payments because you knew you had bad credit, or you knew you had Bruce credit. You want to know what your interest rate is. And the salesperson tells you that, oh, your interest rate is 20% and you're financed for 72 months. Your payment's $500 a month. You can refinance, or you can trade your car in a year. You come back and see me in a year and I'll flip you out of that car. You're paying 25% now, $500 a month. Don't even worry about the sales price right now because I'm just giving an example. Again, you're paying $500 a month, interest rate's 20% or 25%. Salesperson says to you, come back in 6 months or come back at the latest a year and I'm gonna flip you out of that car. Now, flip you out of that car means I'm gonna get you into another car. That's the biggest lie that a salesperson can tell you. I'm gonna get you out your car in 6 months to a year. Come back to the dealership, I'm gonna get you out. That's a flat out, bold-faced lie. Reason is, you went into the dealership with a 480 credit score or 525 credit score. The only thing that you did within those 6 months or a year was make your car payment on time. And that's all you did. Just think about it. 6 months later or a year later, you're coming back to the dealership to see that salesperson. And your credit score is still 480 or 500. Nothing has changed. And you say, well, you know what? I'm ready to get into another car. You know what happens? That salesperson might not even be at the same dealership, or they might dodge you. You come at dealership, they're busy, and they say, I'm gonna call you, I'm gonna get back to you, and they don't get back to you. The reason they don't get back to you because they were lying. You are not able to trade a car in within 6 months to a year. What's changed on your credit? You haven't done anything at all. You came in with the same credit score, and now you want to get out of it. The minute you walk off the lot with that vehicle, you lose equity. Nothing's changed in 6 months to a year. You're paying 20 and 25%, nothing. So you don't get out of a vehicle 6 months to a year and flip into another one. What you want to do is, your credit score is that low, you want to do credit repair. We do credit repair. We're an agent with a company that does credit repair. You need to slide on in and get your credit repaired. Another thing you want to do is, I want to give you advice on what you need to do. You already know your salesperson and lied because you can't get out of your car in 6 months to a year unless you have $5,000 or $10,000 down to put on your next car. Maybe your credit score has changed. Maybe you added some things to your credit. But let me just get back to the topic at hand. What do you do when you get a high interest rate loan? What do? Credit score is 480, 500, 550, 560, and you know that you're paying that 20 or 25% interest rate on that loan. One thing what you can do is that you can enroll in credit repair. Someone or a company that can help you get your credit together, that can help you dispute the negative items on your credit report. That's one way. Another way, and I'm throwing some serious nuggets out here on this video, you can apply for a credit card. And now I know you're saying, I cannot get a credit card because my credit score is so low, or I already got turned down by 2 or 3 credit card companies. Okay, well guess what? Not secured credit card, but secured card is your plan. Now let me just explain what a secure card is. And a secure card is where you put your own money with that financial institution and you borrow against your own money. So say for an example, you use $500 at your security deposit for your secured card. $500. You probably say, well, I don't need a secure card. I mean, I have a debit card. Well, listen, a secure card, the company is going to report to all 3 major credit reports. You're going to borrow against your own money to buy food, go out to dinner, pay a bill, put gas in your car, and it's going to report to your credit bureau. So why not get a secure card? If you can't get a credit card, you get a secure card. And hopefully you keep it under 30%. That's the golden rule. Keep it at 30%. Now what does that mean? You have a balance of, say, 1,000. You keep it at 30% of 1,000. And if you are really listening, and you really trying to get your credit together, you're gonna keep it at 10%. 10% versus 30% of your balance on your secure card. I'm gonna give you another nugget on this video. If you're paying rent to someone, why not get your rent reported to your credit report? Why not? Now, if you don't know anything about that, or you want to know more things about getting your rent reported to your credit report, you need to get in the comments on this video and comment, I need to get my rent reported to my credit report. How do I do it? And that's how you engage with me. I'm gonna give you a nuggets on what you need to do. These are 2 services that are offered with the company that does credit repair. We offer so many things that can help you improve your credit. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are passing it along, take some time and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell someone about my channel. All right, thanks for passing through.